Here we go on the Duinrell Wild Wings for another POV. Last one wasn't too good, so I might use it as an outtake. This one might not be too good either, so we'll just have to wait and see. But here we go. So you can control your flipping. And we'll do some POVs from the water park as well. What a view. Ah! Oh, yeah! Oh, oh my God! Ah! Ah! Holy crap! Here we go. You can beat the record on this. Oh my God! Oh my God! This is too intense. Ah! Ah! Whoa! This is gonna be a game over. Oh my God! Wow. I think I might be beating the record. Oh my God. Ah, what was that? That might stop bring me over. Ah, oh my. I hope that's me. Oh dear. Oh crap. Whoa. Oh. Oh my gosh. What did I just do?